the height, this height of the area where we have applied geotextiles. The Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode, we have done their 5-acre campus in Kozhikode. We have completed all the roads, 5-kilometer road, both sides were applied with the geotextiles, and that was a, otherwise they should have gone for a stone pitching, and we saved a lot of money also. The aesthetic beauty of the campus is retained. This is the site before application of geotextile. See gully, rills, and also everything you can see now being applied. Grass started growing. Silchar, Assam. This is typical experimental study conducted by Choir Board in collaboration with the Kerala Agriculture University, where we wanted to see over a period of time in forests, the rock patches, there will be rocky patches which will be degenerated from the greenery, and if you want to bring them back to the greenery, I think we can use coir material for creation of a greenery. These are the rocky patches. Here you have vegetation, there you have vegetation, but here it is bald. Just like some of us does not have hairs on our head, some bald people will be there. We are planting, but the hair transplantation is done is there. Similarly, we put coir netting here and also put cocoa log as a contour lining, so that the water will not take away all these soil particles. So, this will prevent soil being transported from. So, we put some coir pith also there, coir composted coir pith, so that vegetation can grow. After some time, when it was project was completed, there was proper growth of vegetation in this area, and I think over decades, if you go there, you can find that lot of tall trees have come up by natural vegetation. This is creating mulch for weed control as well as mulch out of coir needle felt, and this is again cultivation in these slopes, 30 degree, 20 degree, 25 degree, like that, different types of slopes created, and practicing vegetation. See, brinjal has grown. This is a marshy area in Tannirmukkam Panchayat near Alleppey, and that with the Panchayat we started experimenting using coir geotextiles construction of road, and the design was specially made by the Cochin University of Science and Technology, and they have, as per the soil test was conducted, and they have designed the road, and 2 or 3 layers of geotextiles were used in a riprap method, and soil was dumped, and that road still performs best, and the people living around were happy about us. This house was facing a problem actually, that they were located in near river Pamba in Chovara in Alva, and they approached Coir Board for protecting the slopes using coir geotextile, otherwise it would have been danger in another 10 or 15 years, and we applied coir geotextiles and planted vegetation, and now it is properly protected. Konkan Railway tracks also we applied geotextiles, Kohima, Nagaland, all sort of agroclimatic zones in India Coir board through its extension service has done the application of coir geotextile. This is Mangambu in Kutanad Taluk of Alappuzha district, where farming is practiced below the mean sea level. The mud wall was reinforced using coir geotextile. This is another collaborative project with the Kerala Agriculture University in construction of spur using cocoa logs in Pamba river for preventing soil erosion due to runoff. This is geo rolls which can be used. Actually, here the slopes can be protected using coir geotextiles very well, but due to the heavy flow of water, it will impact this area, and slowly there will be a caving in coming here, and again it will come here, it will hit here and hit here. So, the water flow is more dangerous than the rain water. So, how to prevent? Normal geotextile cells will not suffice here. So, where there you need a heavy duty geotextiles, that is called cocoa log, and cocoa log can bear the impact of flowing water. So, no damage will happen here, and all the shoreline will be properly protected. This is cocoa lawn, a combination of coir geotextiles, coir pith, and the advantage is you can cut and roll it and transport it anywhere, so that you can make the place greenery without any delay of time. This is roof greening in IIT IIM Lucknow. We have done the experiment, and here we have applied coir geotextiles, over which a thin layer of coir fiber was put, and it was grass was grown there. So that in the North Indian you have a high temperature of 45 plus, that area will be always cool without using the air conditioner. You can reduce the temperature by 4 to 5 degrees inside the camp building. So, thank you friends, viewers. Now we complete the one session of coir geotextiles, and if you have any clarifications, please feel free to write to Coir Board or my personal mail, and we will be only happy to support you. Thank you so much.